This is Exodus. It's like 4 hours long.
10 hours in Exodus line in a U-Haul.
And the ranger transported my car in the what? Man, what is... There's a whole lane cars passing us.
Why?
They said there was an explosion.
Explosion?
Yeah.
There's a fire back there.
What exploded?
A small motorhome. That's why they opened this lane and everyone's flipping us off. But we were like really close to it.
Any fire check lights or anything, do you?
That's a big old fire. They're just gonna let it burn. All right, it's Monday morning. We woke up this morning to a nice sunshiny day. A whole lot of our crew, I'd say at least 30% of our crew has already gone out, and we're planning on packing it up. Our responsibility today is to get some of our art cars out. We have the banjo right here. We got to get this out. It's going to be dry enough to get that out. And then we also have Max to get out, and we're taking that with a U-Haul. So we've got to get everything out of here for the art cars, and that's our sole responsibility. And it looks like a whole lot of the community is coming together to get us out of here. So one closer step to being home, guys. This is it. It's finally done. I think we're gonna be able to get out of here. So fingers crossed. Needing some breakfast?
Freaking hungry.
Tell me what our plan is.
Right now, we're just packing it up.
Yeah, but
Getting
how are we
everything
getting
on
out
the
of here?
art car out of here. You're driving a U-Haul out that we've been sleeping in for a while. We're gonna have to put the art cart on a trailer because we're not gonna be able to pull it out of here. It's probably too wet and might get stuck. But we're between doing that or pulling it out on our way out.
Let's just drive it out. And the chef made good breakfast this morning. We're ready. We're ready to freaking eat breakfast and just get out of here. So, packing it up.
Back up a little bit.
Alright, well that about wraps it up. We have loaded up Max. Looks like they're gonna burn the man tonight. You know, we just can't hang around for that. We were supposed to leave on Monday anyways. We have to get out for flights tomorrow and get back to work. So we're not gonna be able to bring Max to the burn, but that's all right. We got it loaded up. We got some cool graffiti on this side. We ended up smashing one of these fenders. Yeah, the ground is dry. People are going out. Gate is open, so we got to get on the stick and get out of here. Some more graffiti that we added. Yeah, we're leaving a lot of the decorations on, so, you know, it's only going just down the road to Fernley, to our storage site now. And we'll be able to come back and work on it whenever we want. So, about to roll out of here. Anyways, hope you all liked our content that we created for the Burning Man adventure we had. I know we had a lot of fun. Cam, did you have a lot of fun?
So much fun. Such a big adventure.
Yeah.
It's a...
Was it worth it?
It's a lot of work.
Was it worth it?
I think it was worth it. It's just you know, it's its first year.
There goes Dad.
The reality
Dad, what'd you think of the art car? What'd you think of the art car?
Amazing.
Yeah, you're satisfied with it?
Incredible job.
You know, we're the only ones that got approved this year.
Only one that got approved.
Yeah.
That's badass.
First
Beat
time
Beat us.
approval.
A little worried about y'all driving it out in the mud.
This is dry, I think.
I just got a report that it's not real dry on main case.
We can't drop it now. Well, anyways, we're gonna pull this thing out of here and get home. Hopefully the mud's not too bad. He did just get a report that the mud was bad at main gate. We're just gonna have to pull right through it. I don't know what else we can do. Chunk.
What's up? Yeah, those beers should be ready. They're probably a little colder by now.
All right, brother. Thank you. Chunk hooked us up with some beers. We ran out of beer today. That's quite an accomplishment. That doesn't normally happen.
I just talked to Festus and they said it was pretty quick.
Did they get out?
Yeah, they're almost fine.
Wow. That's pretty quick. What do you want to do?
No.
Let's roll out. Let's just take it. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. Yeah.
Not good.
This is Exodus. It's like 4 hours long. Not even at gate yet. Oh my God. This is so cool, dude. Hey,
Hello.
can I tell your story on my YouTube? Do you mind? For my YouTube?
Let's go.
Tell me what happened.
I need 4 spare. Right. Как это?
Four-
Four tire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened though? What happened to your tires?
I parking my car in Burning Man first day in line A in center. It is very bad. And now good boy. Tonight, to first night,
piercing for my tire, for my wheels. And the ranger transported my car in the lot. That's all. Yes, very big open.
I see.
To be from.
And they did that because you're a bad boy, right?
But a good boy.
Oh, you're a good boy.
Good boy.
So now he's out here. No? Because you were.
Thank you.
You were a bad boy, but you're a good boy now.
Good boy.
What are you doing now?
I fishman.
You fishing?
Fishing spare tire.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. In Burning Man have 7,000 people.
Mm-hmm.
I think what I found spare tire. This place.
I think you'll find it.
But now I clean my car.
Yeah, you're cleaning it, huh? That's what you're doing now.
Yes,
I see you cleaning it.
Yes, burn and clean.
Yeah. I think that's a good idea. Keep busy.
Yes.
All right, man. Well, I gotta head out. It was good to meet you. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex.
Alex Cockman.
Alex. Good to meet you, sir.
I make very cool massage.
Oh, very cool.
Yes, my business card.
Thank
Call
you.
me. WhatsApp,
You got it.
Telegram, Viber.
All right. Well, next time, what are you gonna not do? You're not gonna park your car at the center again. Next time, right?
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you, buddy. Good luck.
Good luck too.
What did he say again when he walked up?
What?
He just said, "I'm bad boy."
Like, what happened? I was bad boy. I parked in the middle. The middle of what? Burning Man.
I can't believe that happened, really. I was like, surely he just lost a tire. He needs only one. No, he needs four.
Four times.
They slashed all his tires. They towed him to D-Lot and slashed all of his tires. Holy crap.
I was bad boy.
I was bad boy.
Oh shit, dude. So good.
This is worth it. Actually, I kind of needed a walk. Dude, this is a long night.
Yes,
We've been out here for I don't know how many hours. We're like 3 hours already. We just made it to gate. Whew. Well, keep going. This guy's watching his first burn from the line. Well, it's not your first burn.
pretty sick.
They stopped.
Something's going on.
People walking in the way.
All these
protesting.
cars going by the line. It's been like 25 of them just driving right by.
What's going on? Wow. Where was it? Car?
He said there's an explosion.
What?
I'm gonna go talk to Kerry.
Why would they open up their own vehicle?
asleep? You decent?
Pizza?
I said, are you decent?
Oh, yeah. My.
There's a whole lane cars passing us.
What the fuck? Why?
They said there was an explosion.
Explosion.
Yeah. In the lanes.
We're trapped.
And they're just rolling. Cameron's like, should I get out and go with them or what?
Yeah. Yeah, we ain't going.
There's a fire back there.
What exploded?
A small motorhome. That's why they opened this lane, and everyone's flipping us off. But we were like really close to it.
We've already talked to a couple people really close to it.
Yeah. Everyone was just like sitting in their RVs. So we just ran out and tried to get as many fire extinguishers as
I'm glad you're okay.
Yes, me too. I hope that they are.
I'm sorry. Motorhome caught fire.
Yeah. So they moved everybody over to this lane. And now we're getting jumped by all these people. This,
Yeah.
we had gone a goddamn mile since.
We're so far.
Hope the people are okay, man.
It's cold. Are you cold in there? Are you okay in there?
It's chilly.
Do you want to go sit with this guy?
You want to come sit
This guy's really cool.
Yeah, he's cool.
We talked to him.
He built an art cart.
Yeah, he's built an art car.
He built that
Dragonfly.
dragonfly art cart.
Oh. I closed it back up so it doesn't get cold in there. Here, do you want this? Check this.
I'm good. I got that blanket, that towel. And that big
Well, if there's a fire, we should be 1 mile away now. But this is stopped now, see? Can't even go. Can't go around that. Oh. Oh, that's so frustrating. Okay. And dangerous. Good Lord. Hope those people are okay.
Fucking RVs, dude.
All right, carry on.
We were next to them before.
Everybody's been flicking me off.
It's like, well, yeah. We were next to the dog one.
I do think that was
They recognize that
probably.
There's like
Hopefully they're okay.
dude. Last thing I want to see is a bunch of people burning alive. Okay. Sound like everybody just like sitting looking at
I don't really understand why you would need to move a whole lane out for that. I think you would just need to stop traffic behind it, like you would in any road situation.
it. I could see that. I mean, if this blew up right here or that, what are they gonna do? They gotta clear everybody
Around
away
it.
from it.
Yeah, so it's not like it was that many cars, it just is a lot of cars from our perspective. Didn't take them long to line up though. I don't think we're that far. Think about that.
Okay, I think we're like one.
I think we're not that far, Kerry, because that was probably only, 30 car lengths.
We're about there.
I think we're there. I think we're closer than you think.
Hopefully they keep it fair.
They just have to mark where they were in line and then just pull it up until then, you know? Just park it. Can people eat on? Unless they just hold these guys, you know? No, it's all way over on the right. You can't see, but they're moving on the right.
Yeah, they're still shut on.
That's a big old fire. They're just gonna let it burn. Stop the line right there, right before the curve. All right, Cam, jump in. Oh, we made it, huh?
Yeah, we made it.
What happened?
Oh my god.
Give me a recap of last night.
Last night? Okay.
Like, give me the last 12 hours.
10 hours in Exodus line in a U-Haul. I drove most of the way, and then I hopped in a random car and rode out with a random burner guy to save some space because we had Kerry chilling in the back of the U-Haul for a while and it was getting pretty chilly. And then we rode 4 deep to storage, dropped off the art cart, did a quick tarping, battened down the hatches, did the Reno runaround looking for a hotel, got squared away, slept for like 3 hours, ate a giant chicken fried steak, lost our suitcases in another burner mobile, found them this morning. After him not answering the phone, we just went out to his truck and he's just sitting in there smoking a big joint. He's like, where you boys been? We've been trying to find him for like 2 hours. Got our suitcases 3 pounds overweight, minor move around of stuff, loaded in, 30-minute delay, chilling at the airport, ready to rock back to Austin.
Hey, don't forget.
What else?
Babes.
Oh, and the RV caught on fire too.
The RV.
The RV exploded behind us. Like literally exploded behind us.
I heard it. I'm pretty sure I heard it.
Yeah, I definitely heard it.
It was loud. All right, well, we're gonna roll out of here. We're gonna go home. That's enough. It's the most amazing adventure. We had a lot of problems to solved all of them. I mean, we had art car issues. We had issues getting in because of the rain. We had issues flooding yurts. We got stuck on the other side of Playa and walked across the entire Playa with Calvin. I mean, like we've had a problem every single day except for one. We had one good day this week. It was awesome. And the rest of the time we've been solving problems, and I think that's what our burn has been about this year, is solving problems. And next year we're going to come prepared to have those problems solved on Playa before we get there. Poly EFI, you know, a bigger sound system, stuff like that is offered on the plate for next year. But now we get to take a break on Max BattleBot for like at least 6 months, maybe 8 months until the spring. And you know, the boys are gonna tarp it up in Gerlach, and you know that's what we need. We just need it to be tarped up. But yeah, we're gonna head on home. Thanks for watching.